everyone, this is Jen from Scrap and Posh. I've had this done for a while, and I just didn't have enough voice to do the voiceover. So today I'm in my Happy Planner, and I'm planning with my, on my June of 2018, so this is or January of 2018. So this is like a rewind. And I like the idea of doing the monthly spreads, so here we are. Now, this kit is from Lovely Plans. I think I showed a close-up of that at the beginning. And it is a digital Etsy store. You buy the digital kit and then print it off and cut the stickers at home. And I really like the navy blue and pink, so this is the one I chose. It has several full boxes and some washi and then some flags and some like icon stickers, functional stickers. And first thing I do is I have my January 2018 monthly calendar sitting off to the side, and I just look to see what days were the busiest, what days I had plans on, and then I try and kind of put those full boxes on all the other days. So I have I'm going to give you an insight on my next Uncommon Plans video of what I do with my planners, or how many planners I have and what I'm doing with them. But basically, this is my Happy Planner. I just bought it. It's a 2017-2018 planner, and since it was already past its functionality, I think I paid too much for it. But that's okay. Then I have an Erin Condren 2017 planner, and I did some spreads with that, and I really like that also. And Uncommon Plans has some of 2017 or some Erin Condren stickers also, so I'll be doing some rewinds with those. And then the Conquest planner that I had been using, I'm going to use that for my current planner. And then the Paper House planner that I showed in my haul video. If you haven't seen it yet, then definitely check it out, because it's super neat if you like Harry Potter, and they also have a supernatural one. That's the Conquest planner. That's what, and then the Paper House planner is also a Harry Potter one, and it's really neat. It's undated, but I'm using that to do the current year, but like I don't know how you say it, like in rewind form, because I tried doing the actual layouts on the weeks that I wanted to plan ahead, and it didn't work for me because I kept getting lost in what I needed to do. So that, and the stickers are not sized for Conquest Planner, but the Happy Planner stickers are the same size as the Paper House planner, so I'm happy with that. So you'll see some of those coming. And I had the sidebar there, and I just layered some like icon or headers on top of some lists, so that I can list out the things that I needed to do. And then I think like the most tedious part is putting these little number labels on, but I think it really makes a difference, and especially when I put the full boxes over the existing numbers, I think it just makes a difference. The other thing that I did that I wish I hadn't done is the first thing I did was put on the holidays, and I should have put the holidays on the bottom, of the box instead of the top of the box, because then I could have put the number labels all at the very top left hand corner of the box, and as of right now I had to put them under the holiday boxes that I had already put on there. So anyways, you know, for this kit, and I'll put the link to the kit below. I think I got the name right of the I give this kit a 10 out of 10 because it was nice. So I thank you very much, and I hope you come play with me next time. And you have a great day, and bye-bye.